We're going on bulwark, so you can buff at like 40 to keep the buffs throughout the entire game. You don't have to. You can.
I have the auto buff, so
When does that pop?
when I join, but it automatically replenishes.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The problem is I just remove my keybites by changing the build. Hehe.
Hey.
No, you can't put your foot on forward steady.
What?
Good luck, offense.
Good luck, good luck.
Are we all... Who's this? Tank. Nameless. Okay, good.
Jungle bot active.
Okay, fun.
Okay, didn't get it. Just go mid tower. Thank you, Silly.
You're welcome.
I am being kind of pumped though. Okay, I'm gonna go roof.
Okay, everybody get ready in 5 seconds.
I'm gonna pop a healing ulti.
Okay.
We're gonna pop double tower and strats in 3, 2, 1. Pop the strats, pop the strats.
I'm popping it.
Yeah. Minus on the tower as well. If you
Just forcing
can.
now.
Yeah. If you can ult them here, I'm giving you a shield. Tower is
I
in
can
you.
push
it
next
looks
to the
like.
bulwark, pushing.
Yeah, nice, nice, nice. This is right in front of me, so I'm gonna have to move here in a sec.
We
I'm gonna
heal
horse you.
down. Neo, if you
Bottom
can
launcher shields.
put the healing
Roof
down.
going offense. Bot.
Down.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump roof anyway. Just to
Yeah.
heal.
Keeping you alive.
Okay.
Focus on yourself, Neo. You'll be
Put
pumped, okay.
gun body on us. I'm gonna put the buff.
Yeah, careful, careful. Thank you, thank you. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna go roof for a sec, actually.
Yeah, just run.
Just stopping the little damage they have on me.
10 seconds for the pull.
Group is going back.
Okay, I am positioned opposite you if you do get a pull there. Otherwise, you might,
I'm gonna
you might
put
be in
the
trouble.
healing ulti down.
Okay. Your nameless ult.
I'm go belling them.
I'm gonna pull them away from you guys.
I'm gonna Serene and roof.
Teacher, go mid, you're mid, not top.
I'm popping my
Why I'm
shields.
mid?
Neo, run if you can.
G2
If
is
you
top,
can-
not?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
I'm gonna get Neo up.
Yeah, I'm roofing.
Yeah,
I'm dead.
No issue. Just we have to reset now.
Yep.
Unless Neo can res her. Can you res her, Neo, you think?
No, I'm horse.
Okay, no issue. Just go roof and chill for a sec.
Get ready
They're
for
gonna
double
take-
tower damage buff with strats in 3,
Yeah, I'm
2,
gonna send my ult down there. anyway.
1. Pop it.
And then
Damage on
straight
tower,
roof.
guys. Damage on tower, come on.
I can, me too.
Okay, I'm here, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm jumping now. Back to all.
I'm
Child
gonna
is
buff you.
ready.
Mm-hmm. Giving everybody shield. Going
Valve is 3 by the way.
opposite. Do you see the two nameless like that are playing kind of behind the tower on 12?
Yeah.
Careful, Neo. You're kind of low.
Yes. Right.
G1, G2, go goose.
Okay.
Yeah,
Bomb
we go
down.
goose. We go goose. We go goose. I stopped this ult.
Yeah.
Just go goose.
G3
Just go
finish
goose.
off the tower.
Just go goose.
Remember to swap builds if you need to.
Okay, we'll start
I'm
to
just
team
gonna
guys.
boost here.
Yep.
Yeah. We're just on Goose now.
Jungle in
Double goose
60
damage,
seconds.
Double goose damage. Double goose damage.
Holding the Goose.
Oh, they popped immunity, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Stick to goose,
Good.
stick to goose. There's no players here in base. Be careful.
Jungle
on
in
mid.
40 seconds.
City protection up.
Yeah.
They coming
It
through
is
me.
up. But there's players. Yeah. Do you see Pain T actually?
I'm just bombing here. Bomb on
Okay.
mid.
Good. Goose
Extend,
is free.
extend,
Goose is free.
Following the
Again.
ball, following the
Can I
ball.
buff you?
Yeah.
More pulling to goose, pulling to goose.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bossy one.
Anti-heal on the guys.
Damage on
Jungle in
goose.
20
Full
seconds.
focus on the goose, guys.
Yeah.
Full
20
focus on
seconds
the
for
goose.
jungle.
I'm going out. We are going
Yeah.
top right.
Disrupt on the right.
Yeah.
Disrupt on the right.
10 seconds for jungle.
Yeah.
Going jungle.
Jungle. G3 go. G3 go bottom jungle. G1 stays on goose. G1 stays on goose, guys. I mean, bro, I talked about it in pre-war.
It's not us.
Now I'm coming to you, Nia.
Just damage on goose.
Got it.
Yes.
Take the next.
Are you done, teacher? I'm coming to you.
We didn't get it, but we can kill this guy. Now one before we leave.
Yeah.
No mind. No mind.
Okay.
He has a healer with him.
Boss is
So it's
stopped.
pointless.
Go
boss.
Bounce.
Go boss. Go boss.
Boss, okay.
I just tried to switch my boots.
Wait for the other seconds.
I just tried to switch
Look
my
on mid
boots.
choke. Look on mid choke. I'm bombing here on mid choke.
But are we not
I'm
going boss?
extending towards the right. Bomb on right. Bomb on right. Bomb on the right. They're all on the right.
Guess
They're
we're
all on
not
the
going
right.
boss.
I'm resting
My
energy.
bad.
We're not?
Bomb on right.
Okay.
Bomb on right. Full damage on right.
It's not.
Everybody full damage on right.
Nobody's
All
going
enemies
boss.
fucking bomb here. Bomb. Come on, faster, guys. Where's the tanks?
Yeah, even Lottie's coming back.
Boys, bro,
wiped.
come on.
Are we not going
Now
boss?
what the fuck? They said we
Other,
need to go
it's-
to the
it's
boss,
not the
no?
first game, right? G3 goes boss on 25 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I just drove in.
Go. Yeah.
What?
Come back. Nyum. I'm on the roof.
Like, listen in the pre-war, man. Like, what is this question?
Thought we will go boss.
Careful offense, we wiped them.
Yeah, we
I
got
believe
half
what-
white as well.
I'm sorry, okay.
I just
You're going
fought
boss
with
now.
the
I guess send one
They're
to the
going
boss or
boss.
something. I don't know.
They're going boss.
Loading
Yeah.
screen is 10 minutes long, man.
Yeah, it
Guys,
makes
stop
sense.
running,
though.
man. Like, we talk about it in pre-war for 20 minutes. We're talking to pre-war, and then I'm being asked questions that I explained already in pre-war. Just pay attention.
Yeah, but I don't. Do-do-do. Okay, they got the boss. Let's get out. Am I dead here actually? I am. Thank you.
Okay, get ready. We're getting in. We're going in. We're going in.
Okay.
Careful on the left. Careful on the left. I'm gonna bomb here on the left.
Protection.
I'm bombing on the left. Try to pull more nameless here. On
Do
the
you see
edges. On the
that
edges. On the
side
edges.
party, you know?
I'm in.
Focus on PvP now. They have city protection. Focus on PvP. Bomb on left. Bomb on left. Full bomb on left. Everything you fucking out here. Come on, guys. Damage. Thanks. Keep fucking disrupting as much as you can here.
Yeah, I'm just
Killing all this down.
Cheese shields, guys. Cheese shields.
Nice.
Healing ults on the left here. Healing
Gonna
ults on
horse
the
here?
left.
Killing on mid.
That's a big horse.
Declamp here. Play from the right side. Play from the right side.
Goes on mine. Come right.
Is immunity gone? Immunity is gone.
Yeah, immunity gun.
I'm gonna buff you.
Thank you.
I'm in trouble at 12.
Drop killing ults on the left.
I'm coming to you, Stubby.
Goose is center. I'm raising somebody. I got you, Echi.
I'm popping my chest shields.
Declamp as much as you can. Too many names in the center, guys. Come on. And keep fucking dropping cheese shields, man. I'm bombing here on the tree towards...
Horsing. Nyum. Do I need to reset? I need to reset.
Yeah. stabilize.
too
We
much
need to
damage.
stabilize. Bro.
Gonna drop healing ulti.
Yeah.
Jungle
In
in
the middle?
60
Yeah, nice.
seconds.
Careful on the left here. Get out of the
Follow
left.
middle.
Nameless,
I have
get
the
out of
goose on
left.
me. I'm
Play
gonna
life
take
now,
it to
play
the
life,
left,
play
okay?
now, play life, play life. Full play life. Focus on surviving. Oh, defense is coming to help us.
Healing up.
Giving you up.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm
Jungle
lagging
in
so
40
much.
seconds.
Yeah, same.
Golden body.
Goose is center, goose is center. Keep pumping the goose. Double goose damage fast.
Not now.
Moblade ults on the left side here.
Oh fuck, it's halftime. I
Keep
need to
dropping
leave.
Moblade ults on the large groups of enemies. Just don't fucking... we're not playing for kills here.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Yeah, I got out to.
Oh my god, bro. I just
level.
wish I had a nameless ult once in my fucking life.
Oh, I'm not allowed to change.
Go
my
jungle
goal.
now, go jungle, go jungle, go jungle. Fast. Jungle.
I can't be in jungle. Be careful there.
Oh shit. The
Did I swap my
coordination
build?
for me
Think
like
so.
this is super hard. Oh, sorry.
Huh?
Nice try, man.
That's right.
Let's try, man.
I'm in the jungle.
Focus on the camps, guys.
I'm coming from this.
Good shit. Get out of here. I'm ulting so you survive.
If you're done at jungle, I just go in the goose.
Yeah,
Going
yeah.
back to
Switching my
goose
build
too.
back.
We need
Yeah.
to finish off the goose fast here, guys. Full focus on the fucking goose. Damage on the goose. Damage on the fucking goose. Goose is center. Tanks keep fucking ulting just for space.
I'm gonna heal.
Can you-
Community. Focus on PvP
popping
here.
my
Look on
tissue,
left.
but,
Look on left. Bomb this on the left. Or mid choke. Just fucking announce it. Careful on the right there.
On the Guzi.
Declump as much as you can. Healing ult and nameless ult here. Nameless ult.
Do you have
Nameless ult.
Do you have your umbrella ult still?
Boys.
I
we
used
use
it
the ults,
already.
they're like, what's happening?
Goose dies here.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's
Get
go
ready for the
left.
driver.
Come left side.
Cloud steps on Khalid, and get ready for damage. All the tanks play disrupt.
Yeah, that
All the tanks play disrupt.
Do you see now?
behind
At
me.
the
Behind you.
mid
Damage on
entrance,
tree, damage on tree, damage on tree, bomb on tree, damage on tree, full fucking damage on tree. Send it here.
Healing ulti down.
Yeah. You see Chiang Ryong actually?
Healing
The
up.
two
Thanks,
nameless
keep
here
this
on the
up, top.
bucket
Thanks, keep
in
this
front of
up.
you.
I'm on here. I'm with you.
Yeah, we can go for
use
this
it.
now. I'm good. But,
I'm still on the chair there.
okay, coming.
Let's kill this guy. He cannot get here.
I can be healed here.
Yeah, I'm
Get
trying.
outside.
I chase him. Ah,
Yeah, he's
he
out.
goes on the sides.
Yeah, giving you ult.
Let's take that. Do you see at the mid? Kaizen?
Kaizel.
Bomb on
Do you
6.
not see? Oh, okay, but I see the bomb. I see the bomb.
Full bomb on 6.
Okay, okay,
Everything
okay.
you fucking got. Deep 6. I'm extending.
out of endurance.
Full send it here. All the damage on
That's
6. All the damage on fucking 6.
I'm popping my J shields.
Tanks, keep fucking disrupting as much as you can here.
116.
Keep fucking sending it.
DB ulted.
Healing
I'm
ulti
raising
down.
someone. I got you
It's
ready.
Migdalor behind me. Migdalor.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Just need my endurance back.
He robbed me for some reason.
I will take the bottom jungle checkpoint. Top jungle checkpoint. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Come to me. Do you
I'm
see
just
him
gonna
there?
force and then come.
At 6? Chow there?
Disrupt on 6.
Yeah.
All the tanks disrupt on 6. Nameless, play from 12.
See you.
Play from 12.
Oh my god, I'm lagging so much.
Yeah, same.
Damage on 3. Damage on driver.
I'm still on the shoulder.
Need it fast.
If you can execute it, he will
Fast on
die.
driver. Everything you fucking got. Come on, guys. Play from 12. Play from 12. You guys are still on 6. You guys are still on 6.
Yeah, go 12.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Farm soon, okay. Going now. Ah, we don't have coins. Fuck. My bad.
Keep bombing for space. Keep bombing for space.
Do you see Cleo? Healer?
I'm raising his Zoro.
Cleo? Never
Heal
mind.
on tree.
Yes. Fully
Yeah,
healthy now.
heal on 3. Heal on 3.
On my
Bomb me road.
Can be healed now. I can
Jungle in
Yeah.
40 seconds.
They're wiped, careful.
Okay, we need a big bomb here. We need a big bomb. Everybody get
Healing
ready.
ulted down.
Everybody get ready. Everybody ready. On 6, on 6, on 6, on 6. Everybody get ready. All the tanks get fucking ults on 6 in 3, 2, 1. Send all the damage here, guys. Send all the damage
Yeah,
on
I'm
6.
stunned.
All the fucking damage on 6.
Jungle in 20
Can you-
seconds.
Be ready for the jungle, by the way.
Get to jungle now. Get to jungle now.
Yeah.
Get to jungle. Fast, 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 fast.
I will
Serena,
Really
that shit
bombed.
and
I
fucking
might
run.
actually die. I'm going roof.
I'm dying too. Yeah.
Oh, you died?
can
Full
be
died?
healed.
Need be rest? Yeah, you're...
Oh, okay, wait.
Oh my god, I'm lagging out too.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, the lag
Yeah,
is
don't trust
too
me.
much.
Boss bot.
Yeah, I'm horsing on this camp. First camp, but we're half of us are dead.
I'm dying at the second camp.
They got it.
Commit to
They
boss
contested
after
too much.
G3. We got one party dead here on 3. 1.5.
everyone, they're sending everyone, boss.
Yeah, then we have to go back.
for chickens.
Okay, okay. You want us to send everybody as well? G2
Yeah,
and G3?
just send-
Okay, okay.
send-
G2, G3, send on boss.
Nyum.
Going boss.
Yes,
Yeah,
go on.
we all go boss. Oh my god, I'm lagging the fuck out. I hate this. They have chickens right on the boss, by the way.
Okay. One
Trying to
interrupt.
stop them. There's a guy named Parsley. He dropped it. Pain T, Pain T.
Doesn't look like they left anyone. Okay, no, they did.
They got it.
Fuck, they got it. We need to get out. We need to get out.
Yeah.
Oh, we used all the coins already. They pop
Yeah,
into
just get
you.
out.
Be careful, by the way. There's push surge active. We got hot heals.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
we already used everything. Didn't we?
Nyum. Okay. We're currently, yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Yeah,
Clean them up here on the driveway.
think they sent offense to us, no?
Never mind, I'm dying.
I
think so,
yeah. I think there's like 20 people here.
No,
Where
I'm
are
dying.
you?
We have people
Yeah,
here
in
as
front
well,
of the tree.
right?
Yeah.
That's it, in front of the tree. Thank you.
Be careful for that 6 I'm pretty sure, yeah.
They're doing tons of damage now, by the way. Never mind.
Yeah, careful.
I just ulted all the
Bomb me
enemies. I'm
6.
gonna go for the disrupt on the horse.
Belling.
I'm popping my chest shots.
Be clamp as much as you fucking can here. Keep disrupt on 6. All the fucking disrupt on 6, guys. Full send it on 6. Full send it on 6. All the fucking damage here. All the
Healing
fucking
ulted
damage
down.
here.
Healed now.
Yeah.
Declump away from the tree, please, bro.
Go above the choke and then underneath the bridge. Let's regroup towards it. I think Neo might
Get below
die
the
here.
roof. Get tanks below the roof. Tanks below the roof and fucking disrupt this shit. Disrupt this shit. I'm bombing here below the roof. I'm bombing below the roof just for space.
Ult.
Take control of
coming
platform.
together.
Take control of platform, everybody. Bomb the shit. Bomb the shit. Bomb the shit.
Do you see Kaizen on your left?
Kaizen? On my, yeah, I do. Kaizel. Are we able
He's
to take
on
him?
cast right in
I'm
front
with
of
you.
me.
Kill it.
Executing him? Just kill him? Good shit.
Bro, this fucking guy
Oh my
is
god.
walking in the air. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going other
Be
side.
careful. Don't stand in the chokes here. Don't stand in chokes.
Dropping healing ulti.
Do you see a Paprero?
We don't have coins,
On
bro.
the bottom truck.
Jungle
Bottom
in
choke.
60
He
He
seconds.
goes 12. He goes 12.
Do not see him
Everybody-
right now.
Get ready to take control of deep six, guys. Other side of the choke. Go on the roof. All the nameless get on roofs. All the nameless get on roofs. All the tanks get ready.
I got bombs.
And this here, disrupt here.
I'm at 6.
Yeah, yeah, I'm
Get your
coming
asses here.
6.
Come on, guys. Fast. I'm bombing your shit. Extend if you can.
Jungle in
Extend if you
40
can.
seconds.
Can we extend on Shia?
Anti-heals as well. Anti-heals as well.
Anti-healing.
Everything you fucking off here. They need to die here.
Pulling on him.
Yeah, sending key shield. I'm just jumping roof to not die. Don't worry about me. Drinking.
Declump as much as you can now. Declump as much as
You can worry about my
Bumble.
damage.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
I'm roughing for the jungle, by the way.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Let's do it. Good call.
Can you send offense to us, or what the fuck are we doing?
We are fighting, bro. Like, what do you mean?
Yeah, but like, we wiped.
I'm going to
They are
take
pre-cutting. Like, how intense
G3 go.
completed? Hello?
Jungle. Yeah, teacher, you do this camp. I go next.
I can be it now.
Oh my god, bro.
Boom. Okay.
Nice.
And then take the other one too.
Res me if you can.
Dead on tree.
Okay, teacher's fine.
You got it? Yeah.
I go back.
Yeah. Coming
We
back.
lost the position on the tree, guys. Be careful.
Okay, go roof.
Oh,
You.
Heal it on tree.
too much.
Yeah.
I just try to find a position.
Mhm.
Yeah, get on roofs. Reset quickly.
Building these coins.
Just roughing.
Can't block for
Big boss
shit.
in 1 minute.
Ah, still got me, alright.
So you can take him back now.
G3 come back.
I'm gonna move a bit further to get the
I'm full
behind.
dead. Don't try to res me. They're sending people to you. Follow them. Offense, follow them.
Let's go.
Okay.
You see where all the
Get
nameless
on
are?
Healing
Holy
ulti
big
stuff.
one, big one.
Listen,
I
look
connected
what's
this
happening,
one.
right?
I
If you
connected.
see only
Anti-heal?
3 people on the tree,
Yeah,
stop
me too.
standing on the roof. Get down there and fucking help. Come on.
They are dying. They're dying. Nice. Oh, but I'm lagging the fuck out.
Yep, I'm 2 FPS.
Save.
Yeah, I need to swap off
I'm
this
just
after.
spamming shit in hope I'm doing something.
I'm just going to red tree.
Yeah.
I'm bombing here on blue tree. I'm
Do you
bombing on
see
blue tree.
that one at the tree?
On
Yeah,
12.
right off the
On
tree.
12 on blue tree.
Teach on you. Yeah. Okay, got it. Maybe chair cloud at 12.
At
I
12?
want the tree.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Coming 12. Yeah, see. Yasuka, you mean?
G3 keep helping. G3 keep helping.
Relax.
Keep helping
Look
defense.
sharp.
Yeah.
He's
No,
here.
it's
Look smart.
not using it all.
Trying to save you?
Get on,
Cannot.
Yeah, I can't now. I had my ults and someone else went
never
on.
mind.
and now
Just
okay,
look
they
at-
let me.
Healing
I'm
ulti
with you,
stuff.
teacher. I'm in trouble. But it's
They're bombing us
Forcing?
here. Serena, get the fuck out.
I would.
we died at 6.
Nice.
Sterling.
Keep bombing this. Everything
I pulled them all
is
back.
holy shit.
They're
man.
dying.
They're dying.
But
Yeah.
I'm lagging the fuck out.
That was my usual pull, Stelly.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Yeah.
12.
Keep
Can
sending
we
it,
get
keep
the
sending
revive at 12? Nice.
Yeah.
Tanks, keep fucking playing disrupt here. Keep playing disrupt. Stop staying in the bomb. If you fucking use your ult, get out and fucking find Nameless.
We need to take 12, by the way.
Yeah, I am on 12 now, but I just don't have any fucking endurance. Horsing 12?
Do you see Indra? He's 1 HP. He died.
Nice, you see this lip cooler guy?
Yeah. I'm with you. He
Dead.
died. It's fine.
Oh my goodness.
Ezio? I mean, he's the only guy here.
Be careful with going on the tree, by the way, because if you see Khalid is with us, just let him go on the tree, bro. He has the build for it. Because he uses ults to have fucking super armor and then yeah, somebody goes on 3 and he cannot get on.
I'm on Cypher at 3.
Jungle in 60
Playing this top
seconds.
here. Thanks, keep playing this top here.
Oh, I sent a massive strat ult there.
G shields. Bomb this shit.
Bomb him.
Good shit.
Okay.
They're all dying, but I cannot see anything.
Jungle
Oh my
in
God,
40
fuck out of
seconds.
We won already.
I might have to go to the
That-
normal launcher.
Let me reset my game because I had 0 effects like this game. I have no idea what the fuck happened.
I
Okay.
was disaster.
Oh my god.
That was a disaster for sure.
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Can you accept teacher in the game? Because apparently it's not in or whatever.
I'm switching to the normal client.
Yeah, same here. That was it.
I will restart the GeForce because holy shit.
Go for it.
I'm struggling a bit with the cross-team communication, not gonna lie. Like, I don't know when I have the mic open or not. Shit.
Ah,